Hello friends, welcome to my channel Swapnil Facts Education and Art and Craft. Today I am going to upload a video of number system part 5. These days I couldn't upload the videos because my birthday had gone and some guests were there and my exams had also gone. So I was busy. Today my exams are finished so I am again uploading the videos. Today I am going to discuss with you all the multiplicative identity and multiplication and division of integers. So without any further ado, let's get started. So multiplicative identity. The multiplicative identity of a multiplication and division is 1. When we multiply or divide anything by 1, we get the same number. So think about a number. Okay, let's take A. And then if I multiply by 1 or divide by 1, I also get A. Like example 2 by 1 is equal to 2, 10 by 1 is equal to 10. Let me show you. See, let's take some numbers 2, 4, 3, then 1000. Okay, yeah. Now if I divide it by 1, the number is same, which is 2, 4, 3 and 1000. So here is nothing in the denominator. If there is nothing in the denominator, you need to assume it as 1. You will know more about this in the fractions when I will discuss in my next video. Now let's look at the multiplication of integers. Now multiplication of integers. While multiplying two integers, you need to know this table. That if you multiply two positive integers, then it's a positive integer. That's simple, just like whole numbers and natural numbers as we have multiplied. And we can multiply easily by two positive integers. But there it becomes tricky when negative integer comes. So one negative integer and a positive integer will always result to you a negative integer. But you know what? The multiplication of integers are the same as whole numbers and natural numbers. But the sign differs. The solution, let's say minus 1 into plus 1, you will get 1. But the sign will be negative 1 because here we have one negative and positive. Same way as vice versa, that is positive and negative also give you negative integer, and negative integer give you positive integer, because when we cut plus and plus we get plus, but when we cut minus and plus we get minus. When we cut plus and minus we also get minus, but when we cut minus and minus we get plus. Let's check each of the examples. So see, I have taken 2 into 3, minus 2 into 3, 2 into minus 3 and minus 2 into minus 3. Let's see. 2 into 3, as you know, 6. Minus 2 into 3, let's multiply just 2 and 3. Ignore this minus sign. Just multiply 2 and 3. You get 6. Now bring the minus sign here. Now what do you get? 6. And then as I have said you, minus and plus becomes minus. So it will be minus. Same way as here. 3 to the 6. And the minus sign is here, so minus. And 2 into 3 is 6, and as there are two negative integers, so it will be 6. Now let me say you something. If the number of negative integers then are even, then the answer will be positive, and if the number of negative integers is odd, then the answer will be negative when you multiply them. Let's check some examples. See, so minus 2 into minus 3 is 6, and minus minus gives plus, and 6 into minus 4, then 6 was the 24 you get, but as there is a minus, plus minus is minus, so it is minus 24. So odd number of negative integers results to you as a negative integer, and in the even number of negative integers, that is 3 to the 6 you get, and 1 ones are 1, and when you multiply these two positive integers, you get a positive integer. So minus minus cut, and here also minus minus cut. But here 2 minus get cut, but 1 minus still remains. So it will be negative. I hope you understand multiplication of integers. Now let's see division of integers. So division of integers also, you need to learn the same table. When you multiply two positive integers, you get a positive answer. When you multiply one negative and a positive integer, then you get a negative answer. When you multiply one positive and a negative integer, then you get a negative answer. And when you multiply two negative integers, you get a positive answer. So let's see some examples. So here, as you can see, 4 by 2 is 2 as usual in the whole numbers, and minus 4 by 2 is minus 2 because here is a minus. Here it is also same, minus 2, because here is a minus. And here minus minus gets cut and it becomes plus. So 4 by 2 is 2. So negative negative is positive. Positive negative is negative. Negative positive is positive. Sorry, negative. And positive positive is positive. So you need to note down this table. It is very important for your exams. Now let's look at the properties of integers. So integers also has three properties: closure property, commutative property, and associative property. And I am not explaining the distributive property because you know that is a into b plus c is equal to a into b plus a into c. Now closure property is addition follows and subtraction follows also. But in the whole numbers and natural numbers, subtraction doesn't follow the closure property. In multiplication also it follows, and division it does not follow. Let's see. Addition, though, you know, the whole numbers are natural numbers, and the subtraction one, that's exceptional. So let's see them. Let's take two numbers, minus 2, minus of 3. So minus 2, you need to take the additive inverse by making plus is equal to minus 2 plus minus 3. And as you know, you need to put the minus in and add it as usual. So 2 plus 3 is 5. So the answer will be minus 5. Now let me reverse the numbers. That is minus 3. Sorry. It will be 3 minus of minus 2, which is equal to 3 plus 2. By taking the additive inverse, you get 5. As you can see, both are in the category of integers. So they follow the closure property. Now let's see the other properties. See, for multiplication and division also, it's like whole numbers and natural numbers only. And commutative property, addition follows, subtraction does not follow, multiplication follows, and division does not follow. As I have explained in whole numbers, so I don't need to explain here. Now associative property also, addition follows, subtraction does not follow, multiplication follows, and division does not follow. You need to note down this table. This is very important for your exams. It is very important. So here we came to the end of this video. That will be all for today. Thank you.